Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to delete all reposts on TikTok. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open TikTok on your phone. Then once you open it, you should go and click on your profile picture or your profile icon on the bottom right side. Then go and click on these three horizontal lines on the top right side. And now go and click on settings and privacy. Then you should scroll down till you get here to this section, support and about. Click on report a problem. Then go down, click on chat with us. And now we can talk directly to TikTok support. I'm going to type other. Then you should now send them a message telling them exactly that you want to delete all reposts that you have actually reposted before, and they'll solve your problem and remove all the posts that you have reposted it. So explain your issue and try to describe what actually do you need. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.